All right, guys. So, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at Subiefest today with our 22 WXs. This is Dre right here in his white 22. I'm sure you guys seen it all over social media.
What's up, guys? How you
So,
guys doing?
Yeah, Dre, tell me about your car.
So 22, just like Jeff's car, full aero kit that Jeff did, all the paint Jeff did, the wing Jeff did. It's pretty much Jeff's car.
Any future plans with the car?
I plan to bring it back to Aeroflow to get the gloss in the front, gloss grille. The attention to detail, I think, really pops out. If you look at his car, it really has like a ergonomic look to it. So, going to be dropping it back off to Aeroflowdymics. I think we got the nicest looking cars in here, and yeah, we're killing it.
Facts. Facts. All right, Dre, nice meeting you. Good seeing you again, bro. I'll see you, see you in a bit.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
My name is Jeff.
I'm Ewan.
Ewan, nice to meet you. So he's gonna give us opinion, unbiased opinion on the 22 WX.
Unbiased opinion.
Yeah.
Look at these taillights. For any of y'all that have seen Monsters Inc., it looks like Roz's glasses.
Your phone's off.
Ah, shit.
Take two.
Is that better?
Yeah.
We'll go
Okay,
over
I
here.
think that's fair to say. How do you like it compared to last year's generation?
You know what? I kind of like the plastic cladding because my Outback's got a whole bunch. So.
Okay. Painted or not or cladding, you know? Either or.
I think it looks good painted, but I like the cladding.
So would you like paint yours if you had a 22?
When I get the money for it, I don't know when that's gonna be.
But you will.
I might.
Okay, fair enough. All right, it was nice meeting you. Thank you.
I appreciate it, Jeff.
All right, thank you.
All right. Welcome back, everybody. AFDWX. Today we have the beloved 22WX in front of us, VB chassis, and we're gonna see what people think. So, what do you guys think?
I fucking love it.
So it's a clean car, definitely
car?
clean.
Before it used to be red, right? So, yeah, we decided to go Nardo Gray. You guys think red or Nardo Gray?
No,
Honestly, I like the gray better.
Gray.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, sounds good. And the wheel setup, man. What do you think? We've gone through our fair share of wheels,
The
so.
combination is good. It all works perfectly fine with each other. So, I mean,
Okay.
overall, it's a clean build.
All right. So this is our final question. This or the previous generation Subaru? So we're talking about the VA chassis with the STI still, or this one, the WRX only. Which one would you take?
Previous.
Previous gen?
Yeah,
Still previous gen?
gen. Yes.
So previous gen, how about you?
Yeah, same.
Previous gen?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So we have two previous gen.
I mean, it's a good looking car, but you know, you got to stick with the previous.
You know what? All right, we feel you on that. We totally respect that, man. So we got two previous gen here. Thank you guys so much. And have a good one. Have a good one. Thank you. We're back. We're just gonna ask these folks some questions about our new 2022 WRX here. So first question is, on a scale of 1 through 10, what do you think of the car as it sits?
10, bro. That's
10?
just clean.
Yeah, that's a 10.
All right, we got a 10 on that. 10 on that, so we're a perfect score so far. Next question, do you guys know that this car used to be red?
Yeah. I've been following you guys for a while.
Okay, so yeah, our car used to be red. It was the OEM red color from the factory. And we decided to wrap it Nardo Gray last minute. So our next question is, do you guys prefer the Nardo Gray wrap or the red paint that it came with?
Nah, I like this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the car.
This one, all right. We're 2 for 2 right now, okay? All right, so final question is, if you had to choose between the previous gen Subaru, the VA chassis, the one that had the STI option, or this VP as it sits, which would you choose?
Well, see, I got this one, so. I mean, preferably I wanted the older one, but I think I'll take this one.
One VB, one for VB now, one for VB. How about you, man?
It's hard. It's a hard one. I'll probably stick to my model. I'm sorry. I'll stick to the old one.
Older gen, all right, another one for the older gen. We're 3-1 now, we're 3-1. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming out today. Have a good time, thank you.
Thank you, bro.
All right, guys, welcome back. We have another two folks out here that we're gonna question about our new VBWRX. So first question is, the way it sits right now, what would you guys give it, 1 through 10?
I give it a solid 7.5 to 8.
7.5 to 8.
I definitely like it. I think it's a lot better.
Let me do a check real quick.
No worries, he's doing a check. Okay, a little fitment check.
Good, about an 8. That's about an 8.
About an 8.
about an
So I'd say that's pretty valid. We're only 2 off. So now I want to ask, what prompted you guys to give it the ratings you guys gave it instead of a 10?
I think I still want to see just even more stuff come out because I think it's so new and fresh that there's still a lot more. I think this is like the right direction where it's going with the spoiler and the paint match and stuff. I'm excited to see like new lights come out for it and stuff, and maybe full on like body kits for it and stuff.
I definitely feel you on that.
I
Yeah.
think we're in a great direction though. I'm excited to see what's
For sure. For sure. So that's the 7.5. How about the 8? We're closer to 10 on this side though.
He definitely nailed it on like what's more to come, but of course like there's a lot more to do here, like or not more to do essentially, but I'm just not too used to this yet. I think it gets a little wide around here. I still like the other chassis, the FA20.
Oh man, foreshadow for our last question already. It's okay. Yeah, I see you were checking the fitment. Yeah, we're gonna have to teach AFDWX a little fitment lesson. The front. Good thing you didn't check the front because
I went to the
it wouldn't have passed.
I went to the back.
He was helping us out. He was helping us out
for you guys.
Thank you. All right. So final question I'm gonna throw at you. So for this chassis as it stands, or the previous generations, which one would you take? And we can take into account the future of this car and the potential of this car, but you guys are gonna have to answer right here which you would take on the spot.
I'm a GD fanboy. I got a Hawkeye, but I'm interested in buying one of these to have a daily in the future. So, and having the Hawkeye as the weekend car. So, if it comes as a daily, I'd probably daily one of these, and then I enjoy the Hawkeye on the weekends. But yeah, so that's kind of my answer.
So that sounds like a 50-50
Yeah,
to me.
I'm hoping-
That sounds like a win-win to me.
I do like these. I think I'm gonna like these more than the VAs just because of how much better they drive. Everyone's saying. So, and like I said, I got to see what they come out with and the power they're making. The engine
sure.
potential. So you could put a lot less money into it and get a lot more power. So
There you go, man. So that's from a Hawkeye, genuine Hawkeye owner, giving some homage and respect to the new VB chassis. He's really optimistic outlook, and I like that. So now we got the final folk here. Question was the VB chassis as it sits right here, or the previous generations. What do you think?
VA chassis EJ25.
Q bomb. All right, so what is that? That's like 4. What is that? Like 4, 5?
You guys have a good day.
You too, man. Thank you. It's like 4, 5. 5 VA, and then we got 2 VB. And a broken poster.
How many horsepower do we have on our VB?
271.
Ding, ding, ding. All right, would you like a free air freshener? Sure. Okay. How about this? Okay, if you can guess the color under the wrap, I'll give you a...
She follows you.
Oh, that's not fair. That's not fair. Hold on. That's not fair. Okay.
I asked about the offset.
All right, if you can guess what diffuser that is, which version. There's like 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you watch our videos, you know what's up.
Get the offset.
I can guess the offset.
Close. I told him 2 tries, so.
All right,
One more.
Try.
38.
What?
Damn.
No. You're close though.
What is it?
It's 30. 30.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bro, you gotta talk.
Yeah.
this.
Oh, it's too far. I gotta scream. We had to find the right sizing. But
okay.
If you want to guess the size, I can give you a free air freshener or whatever.
Guess it.
Just take a guess. If you were to guess. Okay.
18 by, it's a WRX, so 9.5. Give or take 10. No, give or take 10.5. Plus.
Okay.
You got concave on it.
That's a good one. See, a lot of people don't know that.
Maybe. Okay, give me this one hint. Phase 3 or phase 4?
This is phase 3. I think.
Plus 30?
But 18 by 10. Very close.
Okay.
18 by 10. Hey, very close. Very close.
That's for you.
We're making it out here in the heat.